Join me as I dive deep into the blueprint of faith and challenge myself to unlock the true power of prayer. Faith and prayer, two powerful forces that can transform our lives in ways we never thought possible. They help us connect with something greater than ourselves, find inner peace, and navigate life's challenges with more ease and confidence. For many of us, faith and prayer are essential to our personal growth and spiritual well-being. Let's face it though, maintaining a consistent and meaningful prayer life can be tough. We've all been there. We're trying to pray, but our minds start wandering, and before we know it, we're thinking about work or our to-do list. Or maybe we've faced doubts and felt disconnected from our faith, wondering if prayer even makes a difference. These struggles are real, and it's easy to feel like we're not doing it right. We might even start to doubt the power of prayer altogether. Another common struggle is feeling like we're just going through the motions. Reciting prayers without really feeling connected to what we're saying. It's like our hearts and minds are elsewhere, and our prayers become a routine rather than a genuine conversation with a higher power. This can leave us feeling unfulfilled and uncertain about the role of prayer in our lives. Sometimes we might even feel like we're competing with others, comparing our prayer lives to someone else's and feeling like we don't measure up. But here's the thing. Prayer is a personal and intimate experience, and it's not about comparing ourselves to others. It's about cultivating a genuine relationship with a higher power and finding what works for us. In addition to these struggles, we might also wonder what types of prayer are most effective or how to integrate prayer into our busy daily lives. The good news is that there are many ways to pray, and what's most important is finding a method that resonates with us. There are many types of prayer, each with its own purpose and benefits. There's the prayer of thanksgiving, where we focus on expressing gratitude for the good things in our lives. There's the prayer of supplication, where we ask for help or guidance in specific areas. And then there's the prayer of contemplation, where we simply sit in silence, seeking to connect with a higher power. By incorporating these different types of prayer into our daily routine, we can experience a deeper sense of spiritual well-being and connection. For example, we can start our day with a prayer of thanksgiving, reflecting on the things we're grateful for. Or we can take a few minutes during our lunch break to pray for guidance and clarity. By making prayer a priority, we can find more peace, joy, and purpose in our lives. I'd like to share a powerful testimony that illustrates the transformative power of prayer. I know someone who was struggling with anxiety and depression, feeling like they were at a dead end. But then they started committing to a daily prayer practice, and over time, they began to experience a profound shift. They started to feel more at peace, more hopeful, and more connected to their faith. This transformation was not just emotional, it was also spiritual, as they began to see themselves and their place in the world in a new light. This testimony is a reminder that prayer has the power to break through even the toughest challenges. It's not a magic solution, but it's a powerful tool that can help us navigate life's ups and downs with more ease and confidence. By committing to a regular prayer practice, we can experience a deeper sense of connection, peace, and purpose. In conclusion, prayer is a powerful force that can transform our lives in profound ways. By understanding the different types of prayer, overcoming common struggles, and committing to a regular practice, we can experience a deeper sense of spiritual well-being and connection. If you've been inspired by this video, I encourage you to share your own prayer experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more ways to deepen your faith journey, be sure to check out my next video, where we'll explore more practical tips and insights.